Good morning, garden friends. Welcome to the Garden of Gifts. So, I just want to say, well, it's morning here for me, but I just want to say good morning and just show you all a little bit of my garden. I have some spaghetti squash um, and some zucchini that I want to show you all and just get your thoughts in the comments. But first, I just want to say God is so good. I'm just called to say that God is has just been just wonderful, and I'm so grateful to be able to feel this and speak this. But let's get on to my garden. All right, guys, as stated, here we are. Oops. Here are my beautiful zucchini plants. I lost quite a few of them. I think I'll try to insert that. I lost quite a few of them with all the rain we had here in zone 8A. I put some of this the matrix earth stuff down. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce it, but hopefully I used it right. I seen some bugs and I just wanted to get rid of them. But like I said, I lost quite a few of these zucchinis to like water rot. I don't know how that one's looking, but we'll see. That one looks pretty good. So we may have a lost one right here, but we'll see. And right next door, I have a spaghetti squash, and these are radish that I put in there. But let's see if we can find any. Oh, I peeped one. I really love spaghetti squash. Now these ants are a problem because they're like all over. Let's see, we had one there. Any more? Oh, one here. So I see two so far. And behind here we had some beans. I have beans, but I don't think they're not doing much. I can't remember the type of beans they are. I think they're pole beans. If anybody knows, let me know. I've got to do a lot better with writing down what I'm growing. But yes, so that's that. My garden's very small. I'm hoping to expand. But that's that, and I'm gonna do some fertilizing today. And I'm gonna use this Dr. Earth. I've never used this. I always use fish fertilizer, but it brings a lot of flies. So I'm gonna try something else. But if you all have any tips for me, let me know. I've been doing gardening for a few years, but I feel like I can do a lot better with like fertilization and just knowing what I'm gardening, what I'm planting. But I have had a lot of luck in the years. But anything that you can tell me, do you think this is sturdy enough to hold these plants? Let me know what you think. Yeah. Peace.